In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best RC boats for 2025, showcasing the latest and greatest in high-speed, high-performance watercraft. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced racer, we've got something for everyone on the water. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. FY011 RC Boat. The FY011 RC Boat is a high-speed, waterproof racing ship designed to provide an exhilarating experience on the water. This speedboat can reach top speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, powered by a water-cooled motor that ensures consistent performance by preventing overheating. With its sleek, streamlined design and a vortex jet structure, this boat can glide effortlessly through the water, even overcoming obstacles without worrying about exposed blades or damage. Equipped with a 2.4 remote control system, the boat offers a stable connection and can be controlled from a distance of up to 150 meters. The boat's clever sealing system ensures water doesn't leak into the motor compartment, even in rough conditions. It features a double-layer, high-ceiling ship cover and a high-pressure knob to keep the internal components dry. If the boat capsizes, simply press a button for automatic reset, and it'll be back in action in no time. For enhanced nighttime fun, the boat also comes with LED navigation lights, which make it easy to spot in low-light conditions. With a powerful 2,000 mAh battery, you can expect up to 15 minutes of thrilling playtime, and the charging time is around 150 minutes. This boat is suitable for kids aged 14 and up, making it a perfect gift for anyone who loves high-speed water sports. Whether for racing or casual cruising, the FY011 RC Boat delivers non-stop excitement. Number 4. TX768 RC Boat. The TX768 RC Boat is a high-speed, brushless motor speedboat designed for ultimate performance on water. With a maximum speed of 30 kilometers per hour, this boat lets you ride the waves like never before. Powered by a high-performance, brushless 2212 motor, it combines water circulation cooling technology, ensuring the motor stays cool and performs optimally without the risk of overheating. The boat is equipped with a turbojet system that uses water flow to push it forward, creating a unique and thrilling experience. The TX768 also features an intelligent alarm system, which alerts you when the battery is low or when the boat exceeds the maximum control distance of 250 meters, ensuring you never lose control unexpectedly. The boat's built-in vortex jet structure makes it fearless of obstacles, as it won't damage the propeller if it comes into contact with external objects, and the fan blades remain safe from harm. Its double-layer waterproof design provides excellent protection against water ingress, featuring a waterproof ring and external hatch twist lock for added security. The 2.4 remote control allows you to drive the boat without interference, even in areas with multiple devices in use. With a strong and durable build, this speedboat weighs 600 grams and is made from ABS plastic and hardware. It's available in 2 colors and provides up to 10 minutes of playtime on a single charge, with a charging time of approximately 180 minutes. Whether you're racing or simply cruising, the TX768 delivers fast, fun, and reliable water adventures. Number 3. WLtoys WL916 RC Boat. The WLtoys WL916 RC Boat is a high-speed, brushless motor speedboat designed for an exciting water experience. With a top speed of 55 kilometers per hour, this boat offers impressive performance on the water. It features a powerful, brushless electric motor providing long-lasting power and a water circulation cooling system to prevent overheating, ensuring consistent and stable performance. This speedboat has a sleek simulation yacht design, equipped with full proportional controls for forward, backward, left, and right steering. You can adjust the rudder size for precise turns and fine-tune the steering for more accuracy. It also includes an automatic anti-tilt function that allows the boat to self-correct if it capsizes, simply by pulling the front and rear triggers. The WLtoys' waterproof design helps protect internal components from water damage, allowing for worry-free play on the water. It also features a low battery indicator, alerting you when the battery is running low, and provides a 1-minute return time before the boat automatically goes into a low-power protection mode. This boat's sleek hull design reduces drag and improves speed, while the remote control operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency with a control distance of up to 150 meters, allowing you to race or cruise with minimal interference. The boat also has cool lighting for nighttime fun, making it both a great daytime racer and an exciting nighttime vessel. With a battery life of around 5 minutes and a charging time of approximately 3.5 hours, the WLtoys WL916 RC Boat delivers fast, thrilling, and reliable performance for both beginners and experienced hobbyists. Number 2. UDI022 RC Boat. The UDI022 RC Boat is a high-performance, brushless motor speedboat built for exciting water racing. Powered by a KV1800 brushless water-cooled motor, it features an advanced cooling system that directs water against the motor, ensuring optimal heat transfer and extending the boat's lifespan. This boat is equipped with a Marine Electronic Speed Controller, ESC, that integrates water cooling and heat sinking, providing added protection with features like low voltage detection, thermal overload protection, and voltage overload protection. With a maximum speed of up to 30 miles per hour or 50 kilometers per hour, the UDI022 offers thrilling performance on the water. The boat operates on a 2.4 GHz radio control system, allowing multiple boats to race simultaneously without interference, making it perfect for competitive racing on lakes or outdoor water bodies. One of the standout features of the UDI022 is its self-righting hull design, which automatically flips the boat back over if it capsizes, ensuring you can continue racing without interruption. Additionally, the boat's double covers prevent water from infiltrating the interior, safeguarding the boat from potential damage. Built with high-strength aluminum hardware, including the rudder support, trim tabs, turn fins, and drive strut, this boat is designed to handle high speeds and provide excellent stability and precise turning. Whether you're racing or just enjoying a high-speed adventure, the UDI022 is a durable, high-performance choice for water enthusiasts. Number 1. Volantexrc Vector SR80 Pro. The Volantexrc Vector SR80 Pro is a high-speed, brushless motor RC boat designed to deliver thrilling performance on the water. Capable of reaching a maximum speed of 70 kilometers per hour or 44 miles per hour, this boat is built for serious racing. Powered by a water-cooled, brushless motor and a water-cooled electronic speed controller, the boat ensures stable performance and efficient power delivery. A standout feature of the Vector SR80 Pro is its innovative self-righting auto-roll-back function. If the boat capsizes, the auto-flip hull design quickly flips it back upright, allowing you to continue racing without interruption. This self-righting function helps extend the fun and ensures you won't be stuck trying to manually flip the boat back. The boat's unibody hull is made from strong ABS plastic, which is both impact-resistant and crack-resistant, providing durability and longevity for your boat. The streamlined design reduces water resistance, allowing for stable high-speed performance. Additionally, the flex shaft design minimizes noise and vibration, making the ride smoother. The Vector SR80 Pro also includes a low battery protection feature, which automatically slows the boat down as the battery voltage drops. This prevents complete battery drain and gives you time to retrieve the boat before it completely loses power. With a 2.4 GHz remote control system, offering a control range of up to 100 meters, the Vector SR80 Pro is perfect for competitive racing or just enjoying high-speed fun on the water. This boat is ready to run, but you'll need to purchase a compatible battery and charger separately. There you have it, our picks for the best RC boats in 2025. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting reviews.